Hi guys, welcome to WebSensePro. Welcome to another Shopify tutorial video. So we built a store, I think back in 2-3 years ago, and client wanted to know how to cancel the Shopify subscription and they were not able to find the cancel button. So this video tutorial is actually for that client and we thought to add that on our YouTube channel as well. So if you want to cancel your Shopify subscription, all you have to go to is click on this settings gear icon and then click on plan, and then you will see this cancel plan button. Now, if you are a contributor on your Shopify store, if you are not an admin user, you will not be able to see this cancel plan button. And you also have the option to pause it, not completely cancel it. So if you click on cancel plan, you have this option to switch to pause, meaning it will not just include the checkout and rest of the functionality of your store will keep working completely as it is. And you'll have to pay $9 a month rather than $25 a month. Or if you want to just start a new store, you can start with just $1 a month. So you can either pause it or you can start a new store with just $1 if your current product or whatever issue you have with your current marketing. You can simply start with the new store, pause it for $9 a month, and you can cancel it completely by clicking on this cancel a plan button. When you click on cancel plan, you will see this here where you can see that you will have access to your store until this date, meaning this is your billing cycle. This is your next charge of the billing and you will have your store access completely by this date. You can download the data, you can download all of the images, whatever you want. Still, if you want to cancel, you can simply click on I have reviewed the information above and then click on continue. Before canceling, make sure to cancel all of the apps you subscribed to outside Shopify, meaning Shopify is responsible for just the Shopify pricing and the plans. It's not responsible for the apps which you have subscribed to. So make sure to click on the apps. So go to apps and make sure all of the apps which you have stored, you are not being charged for. So try to uninstall all of the app by clicking on these 3 small dots and then click on uninstall by this app section. Once you do that, you'll be able to cancel your plan. And one more thing is important is that the domains. So if you have bought the domain name from the Shopify, which is around $14 to $16 a month, you'll have to cancel that domain separately. This subscription is just for the Shopify website, not for the domain itself, right? So make sure to check out all of these steps before canceling the store. And if you're struggling with the sales, with the layout of your store, I have a complete playlist of free sections which you can install on your Shopify store. So I have this link in the description where you find all of these free sections from Shopify, where you can add story timeline, you can add custom font, shape divider, animated theme page, WhatsApp order button, testimonial section, all of these sections which I have created just for you guys completely for free. So if you want to enhance the layout of your store, check out the link of that playlist where every single YouTube video has a code completely free to add the section on your Shopify store. So make sure to check that out. Also, we have created an app which will help you increase your average order value. So if you want to add in tier discount and increase average order value, make sure to check out our app called Big Bulk Discount. And that's it for this video, guys. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like, and let us know in the comment below what more you would like to learn. Until next video, have a great day.